Hi guys, my name is Prakpal and welcome back in a new video of Revit software. In this particular video, I am going to provide you an information about how we can create the structural plan like column, beam and foundation in Revit software. So in this particular video, I am going to provide you an information about column insertion, okay, column orientation and column placement. So before that, if you not yet subscribe my channel, so guys, please subscribe my channel to get a proper day-to-day good knowledge from civilnotes.com. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, what you have to do, just go to the south elevation and let's check your levels. Okay, you can see you are at level number 1, it is a 0. Okay, so whenever you need to put the column at from this point to this point, you should keep you should be at the level number 2. Okay, then and only then you are in position to provide column from here to here. Okay, after that, you can see if you want to rename this particular layers, what you can do, just select here, right click on rename, just make it as level number 3, click on OK. Okay, you can see it is changed, right? Let me rename it because it is very essential to provide a proper levels name. Okay, 4, I'm rename it, I'll make it as a 5. Okay, then I'll put as a 6. Okay, I'll put it as 7. Okay, so like this I can put. Okay, now what I have to do is, first of all, just go to level number 2, that means here at the top. I'll put over here. Okay, now just go to the structural members. If you prepare plan in using architectural columns, okay, it will never reflect you the structural plan. You can see there is no any structural plan is available. Okay, so for that you need to go to the structure and then you need to create the structural plan using this particular column, beam and wall. So what you have to do is just click on a column. When you click on column, you can see there is a universal I section column is available. But just click on edit type and load the particular section. Just go to the metric, okay, library. After that, just go to the structural member of column, okay, because we are in structural lab. So go to structural column, click on the concrete. Okay, you can see there is a square, round, rectangular column is available. I'm going to select a rectangular one. Click on open. Okay, now after that you can put a dimensions whether you want 300 by 450, 300 by 400, it's depend on you. If you want to orient it, you need to duplicate also. Okay, and make it like 450, like this, 450 by 300. Okay, so I have prepared the two different columns. Okay, and you need to define the dimensions here also, 450 by 300. Okay, can see you have two columns now. One is a 300 by 450, another is 450 by 300, right? So you can see, just select this one first, and now here they ask like where you want to put. You want to put this column till level 1 or till footing. So still I am in position to provide it till only level 1. So just click on level 1. Okay, come here and you can put with respect to this mark also, or you can put like this also. Now it is very important to define the design column. If your design parameters provide you an information about how to put the orientation and all, that only you need to follow with respect to the Revit software. If you not follow that properly, it will never provide you a proper information. Okay, so just click here. Okay, I am going to provide like this. Okay, you can see it is properly assigned. Okay, now I want to provide here also. Okay, like this I want to provide. Okay, after that I want to provide over here. Okay, I want to provide different column, different orientation over here. Okay, to I don't want to disturb my aesthetic appearance. Okay, that's why. See, right? Okay, I want to define different over here. Here. Okay, like this. Okay, so here also I want to provide Okay, then I can provide here also. Here I want to provide, it is my major point. Okay, this is my major point. So if you want to assign more different columns, what you can select, just go and select other one. You can see their orientation is changed. Okay, because we create with respect to same manner. Okay, like that. Okay, if like here also I want to provide, so I can go here, put column like this. Okay, can see like this. Okay, so this is what process we incurred. Now here if you click escape, okay, or if you click on modify button, you can go to the three-dimension model. And if you rotate the model like this, you can see model look like this. Okay, you can see the columns is assigned properly. And if you go to the structural plans, okay, and after that range baseline, just click here, click on the level number one, apply. You can see proper the columns also you can see. Okay, now let's go to the particular sections and elevations. So I'm creating one section from this side. Okay, so to get a good information, I'm doing the section from this particular point, okay, to this particular and here itself. So you can see if I go to the sections, click here, you can see the section properly. This is concrete section what we have created. Now if I want to show you in different format, you can see the constant color and you can see the proper section. Okay, there is also different colors available, shaded also available. Okay, you can go to the highlight color, you can go for the wire graphic colors, okay, which we used to do in AutoCAD. Okay, that also you can see. Okay, so I hope guys you like this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.